Hello, we're from Troop 7777. Do you mind if we serenade you?
Sure.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. We're just selling popcorn in the town, you know what? Bringing good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season this fall. With the scouts out there feeding the pavement, eating they big orders tall. It's the happiest season of all. Some cheddar, cheese, corn, chocolate, drizzle, adorned butter, like kettle corn, and much more. Butter, popcorn with nuts, almonds, cashews, guess what? Always 0 grams saturated fat. It's the most wonderful time of the year. We're just selling popcorn in this scout, you not want to bringing good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Buy the sweet and savor for the end that you favored it, pretzels for dear Uncle Lee. Don't forget you stock up on some popcorn because you can string it to dress up your tree. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much popcorn selling and Boy Scouts out telling you thanks for your year. It's the most wonderful time, yes, the most wonderful time, oh, the most wonderful time we've done yet.
Would you like to buy some popcorn to help support our troop?
I would love to buy some popcorn to support your troop. Where do I sign?
Right here.